In this video, I'll detail how to interrupt Siri response on iPhone on iOS 18. So if you're using an iPhone and you say, "Hey Siri," or Siri, and then you press the start button, then Siri wakes, "Hey Siri, what's the time?"
It's 9:34.
Stop that. "Hey Siri, what can you say about the weather of today?" "What's the weather today like?"
Expect rain
"Hey
today.
Siri."
Daytime temperatures will hover around 29 degrees with overnight lows.
So you see that? So while Siri is active, I can easily interrupt Siri and give another command for Siri to respond. So here I'm going to show you how to stop Siri while talking or how to interrupt Siri during communication. So if I don't know this video, you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do here is go to your iPhone settings. While on the settings, click on accessibility while you scroll down, then scroll down to the bottom of the page. While on this page, locate general, and then you want to select Siri under general. Now once you selected that, scroll down and locate require Siri for interruption and turn this on. You see, when this is on, you have to say Siri or Hey Siri to interrupt a Siri response. So if this is disabled, you'll not be able to interrupt Siri response. But once this is enabled, you'll be able to interrupt Siri response. So make sure you turn this on so that whenever you ask Siri anything and Siri is trying to give you the response, you can easily say, "Hey Siri," or Siri again to interrupt Siri response. So if you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.